Tim is a farmer, a tired farmer. He applies fertilizer again and again, yet still his yield is stagnating and the quality of his produce keeps decreasing. How can we get Tim to smile again? First, you have to understand Tim's problem. His problem is the soil. For 50 years, Tim has done just like everyone else, without giving it a second thought. He plows too deeply and uses a lot of chemical fertilizers, forgetting about the organic and living parts of his soil. These practices are bad for the environment and make the organic matter and microorganisms normally present in soil disappear. The truth is, Tim isn't the only one tired. His soil is exhausted too. Exhausted? Yes, because soil is a living entity. Its structure and biological activity are essential for the growth of Tim's plants. But if the soil is exhausted, how can we regenerate it? At TradeCorp, we have designed TurboRoot, a balanced and complete formula that consists of humic substances, amino acids, macronutrients, and chelated micronutrients. How does it work? Humic substances and amino acids are to the soil what vitamins are to us. Humic and fulvic acids improve the soil structure and its chemical properties, restoring soil fertility and improving fertilizer use efficiency. Amino acids provide the building blocks necessary for growth and protein synthesis inside the plant. They both stimulate early plant growth and the natural microbial activity of the soil. Then, the phosphorus stimulates root elongation and the potassium makes the roots stronger. Finally, the micronutrients boost the whole plant's metabolism. What exactly makes TurboRoot unique? TurboRoot restores and preserves soil fertility, releases stress during the key stages of the plant's life, increases nutrient uptake and efficiency, and finally multiplies soil reserves. As a result, soil and future harvests are preserved, yield increases, and the quality of the produce is enhanced. And we made Tim smile again. Thanks to TurboRoot.